Hi, my name is Karate and I'm the social media manager for StreamerSquare. I am making this little tutorial and showcase video on a website called Kapwing. And Kapwing is the website that I use to caption our Twitter clips that I upload to the profile. And it's something that I think more people should be doing for their social media videos, since it allows more people to access your content and consume it. And the more people that are actually doing that means the more people are engaging with you on your respective platforms. So it's very, very easy to do as well with this website that I'm about to show you. And I did make a little bit of a tutorial video for our account, but just due to Twitter limitations, it has to be under 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So if you watch the video on our Twitter account, it's quite rushed. You can tell I'm speaking quite fast to try and get all the appropriate information out there under the 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And so I did leave out a few things that I want to actually talk about. So I decided to make a video for the YouTube account as well. And so, yeah, it's here we go. It's just very, very easy to do as well. And it's hopefully going to improve engagement on your social media. So you're going to go to kapwing.com, Kapwing, and you're going to make an account. Now, you're going to start with a free account. Just bear that in mind, that everything in your workspace gets deleted after 7 days on a free account. It's not really going to matter for the purpose that we're using Kapwing for, since you are still able to, after you're done transcribing the videos and captioning them, you are able to download that file right away to upload to your wherever you want to upload it to. So it's not really super necessary to have them here. It just means that you can't go back and make edits or anything of that nature. And they have a bunch of different tools available on this website that you can use. And just bear that in mind, that if you want to actually have more variety of projects in here and you want to keep them, you're going to have to upgrade to the pro account. So you're going to go to a new project. You're going to use a specific tool. Here are all their different tools that they have available, but we're going to go to Subtitler at the top left. Now you can either upload or you can paste a URL of a video that you want to caption. We're going to go to our own YouTube account, of course, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, you can hit it now. And we already have a video pulled up here. You're just going to grab the link to that video and you're going to paste it in that section, and it's going to send you over to the editor. Now, you can do everything manually if you want to, but I do recommend using the auto generate. And the auto generation, you can have a bunch of different languages you can transcribe things to, but obviously we're going to be doing English. And it already mentions in here that it's in beta and it's not 100% accurate. It is pretty accurate though, to be fair. It sort of depends on the quality of the audio and things of that nature. So if there's only one person talking, if there's just clear audio, if that person is speaking clearly, it's all going to contribute to a more accurate transcription. So obviously the better audio, the better. And we'll just give this a few minutes. Obviously the longer the video, the longer it takes to actually transcribe it. So this is only a couple minute video, so it won't take that long. But I would probably say it's about 70 to 80% accurate. So it's pretty good on that end. And regardless of what you do, you're still gonna have to do a little bit of legwork afterwards. So after it's done transcribing, you'll see it's just spewed out a whole bunch of subtitles. And this is gonna be where you're gonna sort of be a little bit overwhelmed, but don't worry. Again, it does most of the legwork. But you can, the main thing you're gonna do is have at the playback bar at the very top. This is the main playback bar. So you can just start playing back the video and listening and seeing where mistakes are made or where there are areas that you want to adjust the subtitles to make sure they fit a little bit better in the conversation. So we're just gonna see here.
I feel like something that's not really talked about is burnout that happens with mods as well, and like 100%. Doing too much and
so you can see in the top left in real time what the subtitles are reflecting in the conversation, and so far it's pretty accurate. Obviously, there are going to be issues down here. So for example, like here is a section that having just one small tiny word like this is just not visually it's not going to be that great. So it's probably going to be something from the previous sentence. So we can just add it there, for example. And the nice thing about this editor is that whenever you make adjustments to the subtitles, you can see at the very top, it moves the playback bar specifically to those subtitles. So when you're done making those edits, so let's say I wanted to actually make the edit here and add this it to the end of this sentence, so it's a little bit easier to read. So we're going to do that, and if I click out of it, you can see it moves the playback right above the start of the subtitle, so I can play it back right away.
Combat that, because it can definitely get out of hand if you let it.
It was also the incorrect word. It said combat, not comfort. And yeah, every time you make an edit, it's going to restart that subtitle. So you can just keep playing it over and over again.
Because it can definitely get out of hand if you let it.
So you can make sure that it is accurate. And so obviously I've moved it over here, so I don't need this it anymore, so I can actually delete it on the right end. Now, when you delete something, obviously it's going to time all the subtitles as accurately as possible as well. So you will still need to make adjustments in timing if you are making edits like this, but that's pretty easy to do. You can adjust the length manually with each of these things. And you can also, wherever the playback bar is, you can set the end time or the start time to any of these subtitles also. So it's very, very easy to do, very, very straightforward. So that's pretty much the whole process, is just going through and trying to figure out where the mistakes are that the auto generation is made and adjusting on the fly. So yeah, that's how you do that. Now on the left side is all your different text options. So you can change how the text looks visually. You can also change if it's on a background or how it's outlined, and the colors of those things and the colors of the text. So it really gives you the ability as well to make sure your subtitles are readable no matter what is going on the video. So that is a very, very important thing, obviously, since it's going to be the eyes that are going to be doing the work. And then once you go through and you're done making all of your adjustments, if you do need to add any more subtitles, by the way, you can also hit the add subtitle button at the bottom. So very, very straightforward there. You just hit create and it will start processing all the content. So yes, it is a watermark free content, which is like really, really awesome of them to do that. So it's very, very great. It's very great for your social media. So if you use this website, maybe just tag them, give them some credit, because it's a really, really fantastic tool, and they do a lot of work making sure that more people can access people's content around the world. So that's pretty much it. After that, you keep refreshing this page. You can even just go do something else on your computer, and even if you like move this window and go to a different page, you can go back to your studio and actually go to your workspace, and you can see that it's still working on publishing it, and you can just go there when it's done and download the video whenever it is ready. So it'll be easy. It'll just show the video. It'll have a playback, so you can sort of have one final look back on it. And on the right side, it'll have either edit again if you need to make more edits, or you can just click download so you can start uploading it to Twitter or wherever you want to upload it. So hopefully this video helped you out, and hopefully this introduced you to a fantastic little tool that you can use for your own social media benefits. But yeah, that's going to be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another one.